We love Hakka
and I Hakka.
We love Hakka。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, what's up? It's time for another round of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 午後大家好，我係 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Josephine. And this month we're teaching you the phrase nervous, 緊張。
緊張
緊張 OK， 各个有压力的时候可能就会有紧张的这种感觉存在，对不对？
是啊，
很多人的 number one fear 也就是最怕的一件事情，
上台报告。
对，没错，演讲啦，报告啊，反正在公共场合啊，跟很多人要讲话的时候就好紧张。
我懂緊張。
Right. Public speaking is a number one fear for a lot of people. So let's hear a conversation about someone who is about to go on stage to deliver a speech.
ngiong gadət，我很緊張哦。
我白希望唔地下做乜嘅？
我上台報告啊！
報告，對對對，要上台報告了。Yeah, this person is about to go on stage to deliver a report and getting very nervous about it. So let's break it down one by one. 我們現在來把這個句子分開來教嘍。OK， 怎麼辦？我好緊張哦。What should I do? I'm so nervous.
ngiong gadət，我很緊張哦。
我很緊張哦。OK， ngiong gadət就是怎麼辦 ？What should I do？ 然後我很緊張哦，對，我就很緊張嘛。I'm very, very nervous. And the other person asks, 怎麼了嗎？你等一下要幹嘛嗎？ What's wrong? What's up? What do you have to do later?
用辦係麼？
用辦係麼？
唔等下我做乜嘅？
唔等下我做乜嘅？你等一下要做什麼？對不對？做乜嘅？做乜嘅？ That means what? What are you going to be doing? 那個人就說要上台報告，哈哈 I have to go on stage and do a report.
我上台報告啊！
我上台報告啊 OK， 要上台報告了。Like literally that's what it is, right? I gotta go on stage to do a report. 報告 Okay, that means a report. All right. It seems like we taught a lot of interrogative sentences right here, so let's review some of them. OK， 好多疑問句哈，對，我們來再捋一下。
好，
怎麼辦 ？What should I do？
ngiong gadət，
ngiong gadət。And then 怎麼了嗎 ？Are you okay? What's wrong？
用辦係麼？
用辦係麼 ？And then 要幹嘛？What are you gonna do？
我做乜嘅？
我做乜嘅 Okay, that means what are you gonna do? All right, let's hear the conversation again.
ngiong gadət，我很緊張哦。
我白希望唔地下做乜嘅？
我上台報告啊！
And don't forget, this month we're teaching you how to say 緊張.
緊張
That's nervous, 緊張. And there you have it. Take a deep breath and everything will be okay. Another round of Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
師母大家，
漢字say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.